Oh, can you see my screen? Okay. Hi everyone, we are Team 3 BrianCell and I'm Jacqueline. Our product is Quick Learner. So in the beginning, I have to say we have a really lovely team, consists of 2 tutors, 1 BA for DevOps and 9 developers. And also we have 5 excellent teachers during the process to support us. So everyone wants to learn different and everyone wants to learn interesting. That's why we start Quick Learner. Quick Learner is an online quiz website where users can create quiz and share with their friends. So we are trying to provide users with an easier and quicker way to start learning. So up to now, we have complicated most features and I will go through with you later. And in the future, we will have data visualization and share quiz by link. So to start with, you can log in or sign up or log in with Google to create accounts. And as long as you have entered in the dashboard, user can edit their information in setting areas. To create a quiz, user can upload the cover they want and fill some basic information about this quiz. And then user can choose the topics related to this quiz. And for the questions, we have 2 options, the multiple choice and filling in the blank. User can add the options and set the correct answers and save the questions. And after insert all the questions, user can publish this quiz. And then user can view this quiz in My Quiz section. As long as the quiz is generated, it will generate a unique code and it will be shared to everyone to enter this code. And besides, user can also find the quiz in Explore sections. They can use the filter bar to find the quiz they want to join and choose open the timer or not and start the quiz. So after finish all the questions, user can submit this quiz and we will show the correct answer and the accurate rate in this screen. And when back to the home page, user can find the commit histories and his recent activities. And next, I will hand to Hannah to introduce more about our team.
Thanks, Jacqueline. Hello, everyone. I'm Hannah, and I will introduce you how we manage the project and cooperate with team members. In this project, we use Jira to implement Agile methodology with a Scrum framework to deliver increments. And we also created a product backlog and a wish list of tasks that need to be prioritized in this project. Our team broke down complete items on the wish list into 8 small, more easily manageable sprints to ensure each smaller goal could be accomplished. Eventually, we completed 95% of the tasks in each sprint. Specifically, in the first sprint, we spent a whole week practicing code conflict in case making any severe mistakes in future work. And because our team members' entry ability is different from each other, we used pair programming well during the whole development process, and it led to team cohesion and better code quality and productivity. Every team member has a strong sense of responsibility and can schedule, organize, and coordinate projects in high efficiency and with a teamwork spirit. Additionally, we attend daily stand-up meetings actively and self-reflected on our work during every retrospective meeting on Monday. As shown in this cumulative flow diagram, under our effective and close cooperation, we can see that our team had completed 90% of the features as we planned. Some features are still in progress and testing, and we will also add more features to create better user experience. For example, we would love to add a community to our platform, that our users create their quiz groups, share links or code within the groups, and create posts and comments inside the community module to build an active community with our platform. In the next part, Wiki will introduce you to the technique we used in this project.
Thank you, Hannah. Hi, everyone. I'm Wiki. I will introduce the skill stack implemented in our project. We choose the MERN stack to develop our project with many advantages. As we know, MERN stands for MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. They offer opportunities for developers to build full-stack applications with an attractive interface for users to interact with, which enables the users to navigate through pages and respond to actions smoothly and quickly. It also makes our team more agile, allowing team to iterate quicker on new ideas and software change. On this basis, many technicals used in this project, specifically such as the Redux, materials UI, and the responsive design for front end, and the back end, such as Swagger for the API documentation and the Mongoose for data manipulation. The key features we choose technicals and tools is efficiency, cooperation, and the scalability. About efficiency, for example, we choose Monash to build the project, so team can use JavaScript both front end and back end. We use the Redux to manage our application state and choose the Redux toolkit, which makes it easier to write through Redux application and speed up development. For the cooperation, for example, with the Swagger API tool, the front end and back end can communicate easier, which can provide better teamwork. As for scalability, by using MongoDB, which is a NoSQL database, we can extend the business in the future if we want. And thanks to the React component-based development, as well as the RESTful style API, the business can scale when growing rapidly. In the next section, Grace will introduce the DevOps part in our project. Thank you.
Great. Hi, my name is Grace. I'll be introducing the DevOps part of our project. We implemented a single region 3-tier architecture for the website. The content of the application layer has been delivered to S3 and has been accelerated through CloudFront. We mainly use ECS Fargate for our logical layer. And for the rest, we deploy Lambda functions with the serverless architecture to achieve. We use ECS because it is more cost efficient compared to EC2 and sufficient for our current workload. We plan to switch to EC2 if the user traffic grows later. To ensure availability, an auto-scaling policy has been applied so that it will be auto-scale when the memory utilization reaches a certain benchmark. We chose ECS also because it is secured, with all containers launched in a virtual private cloud with isolated secure networking. We set a security group for ECS service that only allows the request from the load balancer so that the task container cannot be accessed through its public IP. To further improve it, we can try applying private subnets and net gateway to make the backend more secured. According to the 4 golden signal theory, we ran an instance for Grafana, which received the CloudWatch logs for the backend. Also, an OpenSearch cluster has been implemented to analyze the VPC logs. For the pipelines, we chose Code Pipeline as the CI/CD tool. For the front-end pipeline, we use YAML file to install packages and build the application. The built artifacts will be deployed on S3 as a static host web page. For backend pipelines, we use Docker file and YAML file to Dockerize the backend and create a Docker image. Push it to ECR, then code deploy will initialize new cluster services on ECS based on the updated task definition. We also implemented our pipelines on Jenkins for more practice and to get familiar with different CI/CD tools. For data security and confidentiality, we store the credentials in code build as environment variables that can only be accessed by our team members to prevent confidential leaks. In the future, we plan to better protect our data using server-side encryption tools such as AWS Key Management Service. We also use Terraform in our project. As an IAC tool, it helps us to modulate different parts in our infrastructure in a form of code. And we divided them into 9 modules so that we can share them within the team. We try to create the modules as small and functional as possible for them to be reusable. And for simplicity, we integrated all IAM roles and security groups in the modules that really needed them instead of making them individuals. That's what we've done so far, and it is still a preliminary setup. There's definitely more that we want to keep working on.
During the time we worked on this project, we cooperated by setting IAM roles for our members to manage the cloud resources on one AWS account. Our DevOps team would set goals for every week and have stand-up meetings every day to set and assign tasks. We also share our new learnings and help each other with the problems encountered. We also had weekly meetings corresponding to the different stages of the Agile methodology with the developers, business analysts, and our tutors to track the progress of our project, to understand new product requirements, and we adapt our plans to the requirements from the developers. This is all for our project and how we achieved it. Thank you all for listening. And we are Team BrianCell. I would like to invite all of you here to come to our team room later. And we're open to any questions. And I really hope you to come and find out more about us. Thank you.